Integration in logical learning.
Basic of Computer Part 1 created by Debarshi Pramanick. What is computer? A computer is a machine that can be instructed to carry out the sequences of arithmetic or logical operations automatically via computer programming. Modern computers have the ability to follow generalized sets of operations called programs. These programs enable the computers to perform an extremely wide range of tasks. Now the functions of computer. A computer has 4 functions. Input, it accepts the data. Processing, it processes the data. Output, it produces the output. And storage, it stores the result. What is an input device? An input device is any hardware device that sends the data to a computer, allowing you to interact with and control it. The most commonly used or primary input devices on a computer are the keyboard and mouse. However, there are dozens of other devices that can also be used to input the data into the computer. Example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, etc. Now let us talk about keyboard. A computer keyboard is a typewriter style device which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches. Uses of keyboard. Keyboard are used to enter the characters and functions into the computer system by pressing the buttons or keys. It is the primary device which is used to enter the text. Mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on a display, which allows a smooth control of the graphical user interface of a computer. Uses of a mouse. Moving a mouse along a flat surface can move the cursor to different items on the screen. Items can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse buttons. Joystick. A joystick is an input device consisting of a stick that pivots on a base and reports its angle or direction to the device it is controlling. A joystick is an input device that can be used for controlling the movement of the cursor or a pointer in a computer device. The pointer or the cursor movement is controlled by maneuvering a lever on the joystick. Now, what is a processing device? A processing device is any device in a computer that handles the intermediate stage of processing the incoming data. For example, in the diagram below, the CPU is the processing device. Examples of processing devices are Central Processing Unit (CPU) and Graphics Processing Unit (GPU). Now, what is a Central Processing Unit or CPU? A Central Processing Unit is also called a central processor or the main processor. It is the electronic circuitry within a computer that executes the instructions that make up a computer program. Uses of CPU are: the CPU is the brain in the computer. CPU are many and it includes performing calculations, running programs and so on. What is Graphics Processing Unit or GPU? A Graphics Processing Unit is a specialized electronic circuit designed to rapidly manipulate and alter memory to accelerate the creation of images in a frame. Buffer intended for output to a display device. Uses of GPU are: GPUs are used in embedded systems, mobile phones, personal computers, workstations, and game consoles. Let us have a discussion about the CPU versus the GPU. In CPU, there is a low compute density, but in GPU, it is a high compute density. Complex control logic is found in CPU. High computations per memory access is found in GPU. Large caches are found in CPU. Optimized for serial operations in CPU, built for parallel operations in GPU. Shallow pipelines are found in CPU. Deep pipelines, hundreds of stages, are found in GPU. There is low latency tolerance in CPU. There is high latency tolerance in GPU. Newer CPUs have more parallelism in CPU, whereas there are newer GPUs in GPU. Now let us talk about the output device. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts the information into human readable form. It can be text, graphics, tactile, audio, and video. Some of the output devices are visual display unit, that is a monitor, printer, graphic output devices such as plotters, speakers, etc. Examples of output devices are computer monitor, speakers, printer, etc. Now, what is a computer monitor? A computer monitor is an output device that displays the information in pictorial form. A monitor usually comprises the visual display, circuitry, casing, and power supply. Uses of computer monitor. A computer monitor is an output device that allows to display the information in pictorial form. Modern computer monitors are easily interchangeable with conventional television sets. Speakers. A speaker is a term which is used to describe the user who is giving vocal commands to a software program. Uses of speakers can be: speakers are used for the output sound from multimedia presentations. They are even used directly connected with the computer. They are used in home entertainment centers, and speakers play downloaded sound files as well. What is a printer? A printer is a peripheral device which makes a persistent representation of graphics or text, usually on paper. Uses of printer can be: a printer is a device that accepts the text and graphic output from a computer and transfers the information to the paper, usually to standard size sheets of paper. Printers vary in size, speed, sophistication, and cost. In general, more expensive printers are used for higher resolution color printing. Storage device. Computer data storage is a technology consisting of computer components and recording the media that are used to retain the digital data. It is a core function and the fundamental component of the computers. Example of storage device can be hard drive. What is a hard drive? A hard drive or HDD is a non-volatile computer storage device containing magnetic disk or platters rotating at high speeds. It is a secondary storage device used to store the data permanently. Random access memory or RAM being the primary memory device. Of hard drive can be: it is used to store any data including pictures, music, videos, text documents, and any files created or downloaded. Advantages of computer are as follows. It increases your productivity. It connects you to the internet. It can store vast amounts of information and reduce waste. It helps to sort, organize, and search through information. Get a better understanding of data, and it also helps you to learn and keep you informed. And the disadvantages of computer are carpal tunnel and eye strain, too much sitting, short attention span, and too much multitasking. Can limit the learning and create a dependency, time sink, and lots of distractions. It also increases waste and impacts the environment. Thank you for watching this video.